Hey guys, today I get to actually show you around the most innovative new fifth wheel that's hit the market. Now if you stick around to the end, I'm actually going to show you our new flex room in this floor plan that is an office, a man cave, and a second bedroom all combined into one. I can't wait to show you. Let's check it out. And we're going to start by showing off this primary suite that we have here in this 3982DBWB. Now first off, we've got a big 5100 BTU electric fireplace that's going to be opposite from your bed. It not only creates a really nice look to this space, but it kicks out a ton of heat if you're going to need that on a chilly day. You also have a king bed in this floor plan with a beautiful hardwood headboard, nice pillow package, tons of windows in here as well to bring in natural light. You're not going to feel like you're in a dungeon in this coach at all. Then you've got overhead cabinetry and a nice big closet opposing your bed there. Now as we creep our way back into the bathroom here, the first thing I want to show you is you do have a big stackable washer dryer prep cabinet here. Extra storage if you're not going to be using that, but it is separated out from your bedroom to help dampen some of that sound if you're using it. Nice open floor space with a porcelain foot flush toilet, huge linen closet, a nice solid surface dual vanity bath setup here with soft close features throughout, as well as a really tall shower here with a skylight above it. Now to kick things off in the living space, you're going to have a nice 5-seater recliner. Now these are sectioned off so you can sort of do your after purchase customization if you want to really make this space your own. It's complete with end tables on either side that come with charging ports already installed. But really, this island is probably the most magical thing that we have in this space. You have a flip-up bar on the side here for extra dining, but we have a very unique modern dining solution here with these pull-out dinette. In the in position, you can use it as a desk. If you want to pull it out and seat 4 people, you can comfortably do that. But it does not end there with this island, because we have extra storage underneath, as well as a dual trash can pull out here with a cutting board positioned above it for easy access if you're swiping your extra trimmings into the trash. And then this middle drawer is going to have silverware drawers as well as a nice paper towel holder that feeds out through the front. Now here you're going to see the second of 2 fireplaces in this coach. You're going to have a sound bar with a dedicated subwoofer behind it, all synced up to your 50-inch smart TV that is on a lift system. Overhead cabinetry is going to bring you into your kitchen here, where you've got a beautiful residentially inspired suite of appliances here, complete with the turkey oven. But I also love to point out the surfaces that we use in our kitchen. So we have solid surface on every single countertop, real wood cabinetry with tongue and groove construction, and a porcelain real tile backsplash. Now right here next to your big 16 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, you're going to have a pantry with extra space for broom storage if you need it, and then a nice coffee bar that rounds out this space. So now we are up here in the flex bonus room of the 3982, and I say that because really this operates as 3 different spaces combined into one. First off, you've got beautiful entertainment seating here across from a 50-inch smart TV, tons of storage and extra space in that entertainment center if you need to use it. But then of course you'll see here that we have a beautiful deep desk here so that you can use this as a dedicated workspace if you need to. So working from home or homeschooling kids is not going to be a problem at all in this coach. But then last but not least, that can fold down into a full queen bed so you can sleep extra guests or potentially an older child if you need it. Really the exciting thing in this floor plan is it feels like there's nothing that it can't do for our customers. And last but certainly not least, I'm now sitting here in the full second bathroom of this coach. So you've got a porcelain foot flush toilet, a beautiful lav base here with a medicine cabinet, and then of course your second shower.